Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to compare multiple sets of data, like tracking results for two different regions or teams, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make a clear, professional-looking graph in Google Sheets that displays multiple data sets, each with its own independent variables. By the end of this video, you'll be able to visualize, compare, and interpret complex data in a way that's both accurate and visually appealing. Let's dive right in. For our example, imagine you're analyzing sales performance in two different regions and how those sales relate to advertising spend. We've got data for both Region A and Region B, each laid out in columns, spend and sales for each region. First, start by selecting your data. Go ahead and highlight the full range from A1 to D6. This makes sure you're capturing every piece of information you need, including the column headers. Some folks try to select only one set at a time, but trust me, selecting the full range right from the start ensures everything stays organized and your graph will be accurate. Now that you have your data selected, look toward the top menu and click on Insert, then choose Chart. You'll see a chart automatically pop up in your sheet. It might be a bar chart or something else by default, but don't worry, we're not done customizing yet. On the right, you'll see the Chart Editor sidebar. This is where you'll shape your data into a meaningful visualization. The key here is to change the chart type. By default, Google Sheets often picks what it thinks is best, but since both our regions have separate spend and sales data and we want to compare how each region's advertising spend affects sales, we need to select Scatter Chart. So in the Chart Editor, find the chart type dropdown and switch it to Scatter Chart. Scatter plots are amazing in this scenario because they allow you to plot independent pairs of data, meaning you can see at a glance how advertising spend connects to sales for each region without mixing things up. Now comes an important detail, defining your data series. Under Series in the Chart Editor, you'll want to set up each region as its own set of X and Y values. For Series 1, set the X values to Region A's spend and Y values to Region A's sales. For Series 2, X should be Region B's spend and Y should be Region B's sales. If you see something funny, like lines zigzagging across the chart or points not matching up, it's usually because the X and Y columns have been mismatched, so double-check this step. Taking a moment here really pays off, ensuring each region's results stand on their own for comparison. With your scatter plot taking shape, let's tidy up the labels. Go to the chart settings and add axis titles. Label the X-axis as advertising spend and the Y-axis as sales. This small step makes your chart much more readable, especially if you're sharing with others who weren't involved in the original analysis. Clear labels help everyone instantly grasp what's being tracked. To finish off, let's customize a few things to make your chart even more approachable. Assign different colors to each series, maybe blue for Region A and red for Region B, so that anyone looking at your graph can quickly tell the two regions apart. Add a legend and label it with Region A and Region B. It seems like a small detail, but a legend is what helps viewers connect which dots are from which group, rather than guessing based on color alone. And that's all there is to it. You've now got a scatter plot in Google Sheets that compares multiple data sets, each with their own independent variables, and it's crystal clear to read. If you found this tutorial useful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and leave any questions or ideas for future tutorials in the comments below. And of course, if you want to keep leveling up your spreadsheet skills, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and see you next time.